Oh my goodness! Taking a look at what just came in. We got ourselves a 2022 Forest River Salem Hemisphere. The model number is 310BH. This is a triple slide bunkhouse in absolutely pristine condition. Very, very impressive. Folks, laminate exterior. We got two power awnings with LED lights. Take a look at this outside kitchen with a large fridge, sink, griddle. Look how clean things are. It does have front and rear stabilizer jacks. Power operated. Power tongue jack. Take a look, two more slides over on this side. Bunk room, kitchen. Oh, it's so nice. It is a 50 amp power connection. It does have the solar panel system right there. Plywood construction, aluminum construction out front. Folks, two 30-pound propane tanks will be filled up. That battery will be fully charged and replaced if needed. Automotive style front windshield. Guys, solid steps. Check this out. Grab the TV that's inside, mount it here underneath this beautiful power awning. Cable connection, power connection, right? Let's go in. I don't even need background music today. You got the radio going. Bam! Hello! Oh, where do we start? All right, let's take a look. Theater seats, Thomas Paine with LED lighting. Take a look at the beautiful window valances, windows throughout that main slide. We got vaulted ceilings, skylight, a huge stainless steel sink. Folks, this is used. It looks brand new. It smells brand new. The fine folks from New Brunswick just took delivery of their Keystone Cougar fifth wheel. Wow. All right, so that converts into a bunk. Bunk number 2. And of course, this goes up and over, gets out of your way. So your kids can sit down, watch TV, play your Sony PlayStation. Another bunk, window out back. Love it. Folks, Everchill fridge. This is a 12-volt fridge, works on electricity. And they are bigger than most. We got a Furrion microwave. Look at that beautiful, beautiful center island. Window right here behind the stove. Okay, walk-in pantry. Is this a walk-in pantry? Am I gonna call it that? Because you know what? I can walk in. See? I can get my fat butt in there. That's awesome. Imagine the food you can fit in there now. Okay. Awesome TV. Fireplace that throws out some heat. There's your stereo. As you can hear. Let's keep going. Control panel right here. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Yep, that is a porcelain toilet, folks. Skylight, 2 medicine cabinets. 1, 2. Nice big shower. Love it. Very, very clean, guys. All right, master bedroom up next. Yes, that is a king-size bed. This mattress is brand new, by the way. Comes from the Keystone Cougar. There's your automotive style front windshield with a shade. You can put a TV here if you want to. I see that the previous owners did have a TV. Closet. Lots of room, and guess what? That's right, we are prepped for a washer dryer, so you know what that means. You can live in this thing! Oh, absolutely incredible. Folks, if you're looking for the ultimate family unit, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Book your appointment today. or come on down to 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I don't think this one's gonna last, folks. See you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.